Hi everyone, hope you're having a good day or have had a good day, depending where in the world you are. Just thought I'd show you the recent project we've been working on. So I'm going to have some coat hangers on there. It's basically a unit we've made. The backing is MDF, which needs to be painted by the painter yet, but we've put a shelf up there from oak and resin. This is all oak we've milled from this land. The bench top there, again, oak, black resin in places. The drawer front. We've done a little bit up the side there just to tie it all in. Well, that's one part. Like I say, it looked a lot better once the painter's been in and filled all these holes and, you know, painted it all up. So now on to the next part. And these beams, they were 8x2 beams, softwood, and what we've done is we've milled and processed the oak down, resin filled where needed, which was a lot. It took a lot of man hours to get this looking like this. And then basically clad the softwood beams with the oak, which has given it a beautiful effect, as you can see. That was fun getting right up there. That's the second part of this job. This is something we did a few months back for the client, which again is all oak milled from Ireland. And we even did this bottom bit out of European oak, and we steam bent that to go around the corner. The stairs we didn't do. All this cladding we did. And I'm just going to go down and show you the wall art stroke coat hanger. There we are. So this is a very large coat hanger. That sort of doubles up as a bit of wall art, as you can see. We're just waiting on the hangers themselves to come in, and then we'll come back and fit these. But that is a stunning piece of oak, stunning grain, and it just works so well. So that's it for this job. There's a few finishing touches to do, but apart from that, you know, we're happy, the client's happy. So time to go back to the unit and unpack all the kit. So hope you've had a good day. I hope you're having a good day. And thanks for watching. Give us a follow if you like what we do, and I'll see you soon.